Hello Capricorn, this is your love reading for September month. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is based on your Sun, Moon, and Venus rising, so check out those videos as well. It could resonate, the messages in the video could resonate with you. So let's see, Capricorn, what you have in September. Hopefully, some awesome stuff. I'll pick three cards, each your energy, then your partner's energy, and then two cards for an overall energy of your relationship here. So let's see, Capricorn. Judgment. So this is your energy. I'm pulling out your cards. So you are gonna decide on something, Capricorn. This is what I get here. It's a time to make decisions whether to move forward or stay in the relationship. This also talks about a reconciliation with an ex. Some of you could have a reconciliation, a message, or your ex could reach out to you, and or you could meet them up, like whatever it is. But it talks about a reconciliation with ex for some of you here. Your past person might come back to your life, and this card talks about you making a decision. Now, some of you relationship a reconciliation is there, and some of you will be making a decision, the high time to make a decision. So we'll see how the reading goes. What else for Capricorn? Capricorn. The Lovers card. So Lovers card, it's like some of you meeting a new person. There will be someone very attracted to you, or some of you singles or those who are open to love might also find someone very attractive, and you might fall in love with this person. It talks about a balanced relationship here, very much in love, very romantically inclined, lot of love between you two, you and your person. Also, it talks about also those who are, this is your energy. So it talks about you being in love with your person very much. You think about them, you still love them, even if you are not in contact. This talks about, you genuinely love your person with your heart and soul. They are your twin flame, your soulmate, that kind of an energy it is. So, yeah, but you want a balanced relationship, you want equal give and take in relationship. You want love, and you want to accept love, and you want to give love. So this is what I feel. So this is across everyone who is in love, who will fall in love, and for those whose even person is coming back, all across all Capricorns here. So very much in love with your person. This is what I see here, Capricorn, and are very loyal to your person here, it seems. Now let me pull out one more card of your energy here. The Devil. Now here comes Capricorn, your own card. The Devil. See, here it talks about you might be in a toxic relationship. You might have not, this is not for all of you. You might feel bonded like a slave. Your person might not be treating you well. Your person could be a toxic energy because you feel this way. You feel the devil's energy. For some of you, this is a third party situation. It could be a third party situation, like, and this is like some of you are sexually or sensually very, very much attracted to your person. There is a sexual energy that is there with this devil card associated. But some of you are definitely in some toxic relationship here. This is what I say with the devil card. Your person may be a narcissist, a dominating player, liar, cheater. Not this is for all of you. This is for some of you here. The captain, the devil's energy. So you feel like bonded. You feel like a slave. They are on your mind. You are not able to let them go. They can be at the level of obsession in your mind, like you at any cost you want this person in your life because the sexual attraction is too high. And maybe they have played with you, or their player, or whatever it is, but you are in that kind of an energy, Capricorn here. So the devil card, the lovers card is the Gemini. Till now we are getting. So these are the your energies here. You genuinely love the person. You want equal balance. There's ex coming back for some of you, making a decision, and a toxic person in your life, narcissist for some of you here. So your person's energy now. Let us find out. Okay. So this card. Your person is happily enjoying his singlehood. Some of your, this is for some of you again. Your person is making money. Your person is working with, working for his career, his business. So this is what I get here for growth, for expansion. Emotionally they are aloof. They have chose to be aloof. They have made their career, their money, their priority. This is for some of you here. They are working on that, and love has taken a backseat. So they are not talking to you. They are in no contact. They are not giving you attention. They are not replying to your messages. They are not putting any time and effort in relationship right now. They are putting it somewhere. It's in their career, money situation. Here they are going out with friends, though they are enjoying your life. They are using all the luxuries to enjoy themselves, and that is giving them satisfaction. So this is your person's energy. One card. Let's see what else. Capricorn person here. They are happy to see themselves grow in terms of finances and career, it seems. Ace of Pentacles. So some of your person, this is again for singles and this is for relationship. Your person could be seeing a younger person, Capricorn, who could still be a student or being learning something. That is what I get here. Also singles could find love. It's a new love coming to them. Those who are open to relationship, those who have been single for some time, somebody who either you have come out of a broken relationship or you're open. So new love coming for you, Capricorn here. This will be a not that mature kind of energy. It's still a student. It's a page, so they are definitely younger than you here, and they will be somebody who's interested in learning, and they are interested in intellectual talk, and that kind of person they will be here. Some of your person is dating a younger person, two timing you. They are cheating on you and dating someone else, a younger person in their life. And some of you, it's for a new energy. So this is an earth energy. Even Nine of Pentacles is an earth. So heavy earth. I mean, heavily there is more of. This is Nine of Pentacles, Taurus. Then you have mostly earth energy. I see here. So one more card. Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, Earth, Pentacle is again Earth and Earth, so it's a lot of Earth energy here. One more card. King of Cups. So here I feel your person, this is a Scorpio card. So I feel here your person, though misses you, loves you at time, you are on their mind here. Capricorn, this is what I get. But their focus is somewhere else. Like I feel that they feel for you sometimes. That is what I get here. Again, this also says that they had a very passionate thoughts of yours. They have a lot of romantic moments that you shared together. They see you as a very loving and caring person. That is what again I feel here. So they see you as a very loving, very passionate person. They see you as, but right now you have two conditions here. Somebody is working on their career, money situation, and love is not their priority. And somebody is seeing a third party or a new person in their life. So King of Cups is like they wherever they are focused now, either in their new love situation or in their career situation. They are ambitious, they are passionate, they are fiery, but it is somewhere else now. This is for somewhere else now. So this is what I get. Reconciliation, of course, I feel new beginnings can, because you have, but it will not be a great thing that it will pick up immediately. We have one page and we have a king. So even if new beginnings reunion happens, it will start off slowly and then go to, because after page we have the king. If we take in another emotional, so it will go like slowly, and then it will go in a with the flow will get better with romance, with love, so definitely reunion for some, reconciliation for some. I don't see here breakup, but it's a stuck energy Capricorns are going to be in. You have the devil here. So most of you are going to either remain stuck, although you will make a decision. There is a decision, but you are going to implement on it in September or not, that is far off. You might go to make a decision and then back off, because if you only you can come out of the devil energy, which is like you need your own boldness, you need your own courage to come out of that. There will be situations when you will just decide, and then after 2 days you back off, like, no, you want that person in your life. This is devil's energy. It's very difficult, and your own courage and your mental strength can take you out from this energy, Capricorn. So you will try to take controls in your hand, but at times you will still get stuck. This is what I get here. Yeah, so this is it, Capricorn. But I see that you still love that person. You really want them, however narcissistic they are, however dominating they are. The attraction is too high. And your person is like either pursuing someone else or busy with their career. This is what I get. New love, definitely there is something to look up for singles. It will slowly catch up, and the relationship will grow. This is what I get. Now for the relationship, I'll just pull out 2 cards. What is the general energies of the relationship? Knight of Cups. So that is what I see, that a message or a message of a love or communication could come to you, which could make this reconciliation, or even a new person could approach to you with a message of love, with lots of love for those who are open to relationship, open to love. Now one more card I'm going to pull out. This is Queen of Wands. So this, I feel again, this is your energy, your focus. It seems that, because what the card says is that this is can be an Aries or a Pisces person. I'll just clarify the cards. Queen of Wands. Why is the Queen of Wands here? Why is the Queen of Wands here in Capricorn? Love reading energies of September. Why is the Queen of Wands here? Yeah. So this talks about your person jumping back to the relationship. Once your person knows that you are moving away, they will jump back to your relationship to save their relationship. This is what I get here. This is a clarification for the Queen of Wands here. So your person will just jump back into the relationship with the communication, with and maybe it will be a reconciliation here. So this is it. I'll just pull out one angel guidance card here. And let's see what the angels have messages for you. Gratitude. Okay, so be grateful for all that you have. So I did not explain this, like have gratitude, whatever you have, and things will work out better. So this is it. Till then, take care. Bye. If you do like my reading, it resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel. And till then, take care. Bye. Stay blessed.